on here and talk about different outfits that you can wear as a Christian woman that will still stay up with the trends or still have that like minimalist look, but you still are in the fashion trends. Like you're not dressing like an older lady, because I think sometimes it's easy for, especially as Christian women, to think that we have to like dress like extremely modest, like we have to dress like very like traditional back in the day type. And it's like, no, you don't. You can still keep up with the trends, you can still look very nice, you can still look fashionable. And that's something that I fell into as well. And that's why I really wanted to get on here today and talk about it. And then later on in this video, I will definitely be showing different clips of me wearing different outfits and outfit ideas for you to wear as a Christian woman. So first, I just wanted to kind of give a little background about where I think that stems from. And if I'm being honest, I do think that it stems from being in the church. And I remember one time when I went into the church, I had on like maybe like an outfit that literally went right above my knees. Like seriously, like my skirt or my dress probably went like literally right above my knees. But the older ushers there were like, oh no girl, like they didn't say that, but they handed me like a little napkin to cover like from like above my knees down to like my mid like shin area. And I was like, dang, like I'm not even like a person that dresses like very risque or anything like that. Like I'm not like that at all. So like when it happened, I'm like, well, dang, like I don't dress like that. But I think sometimes, like, especially I really want to focus on like the modern women, the modern Christian women, because I think that sometimes when you like look back and you know the older women are used to dressing a certain way, that's how they dressed as they grew up. Even like as simple as like, and even for myself, Easter, Resurrection Sunday is coming up, and I know when I was growing up, when I was a little kid, my mom used to always put me in like a white dress, like a nice little pastel Easter dress. And I think that that's something that really does just kind of affect how you grow up and how you think about things. And so I just want to come on here and speak for the woman, the Christian woman, who feels like, okay, can I still be Christian, and can I still dress nice, and can I still have that minimal look, or can I still have that like fashionable look without being like risque or anything like that? And the answer to your question is absolutely yes. And so I am getting ready to show you a few outfits that I put together right now. Please let me know below in the comments how you feel about the outfits. Do you like them? Would you like me to show you different outfits? And I have, again, like some different ideas that I have in mind, but I'll be happy to hear your input as well. So go ahead and stay tuned as I show the different outfits. Okay, so for this first outfit right here, I have on this dark blue blazer, which I absolutely love. It's a fitted blazer, which I usually try to do a mixture of fitted and oversized. But for this outfit, I chose to do a fitted dark blue blazer. And then I have on a white shirt under that. And then I paired it with these like light blue, grayish cargo pants with these nice little white sneakers. And what I absolutely love about this outfit is it's super cute and classy, and it still gives Christian woman, and it's still fitting into the trends. So it's still like fashionable. You don't look like you are dressing from back in the early 2000s. It's definitely in right now. The cargos are in right now 100%. Some nice clean white tennis shoes always it's nice with an outfit, always goes nice with an outfit. And then you have that nice little fitted blazer, and again, it has that minimalist look, but I absolutely love it because you have such a nice clean fit, and it's perfect for, again, the church girl, the Christian girl outfit. Outfit number 2, I wore this blazer before in one of my previous videos, But I love this blazer, guys. I love this blazer so much. And I've said this over and over again. I love this blazer. This blazer is just chef's kiss, seriously. But what I really love about this blazer is it's like a grayish, like, and it's like black and white, but it kind of looks gray. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a plaid blazer, okay? I love it. I'm in love with it. And then again, I put it with a white little undershirt with some ripped jeans, and again, those white clean sneakers. And you see, it's still fitting that minimalist lifestyle, not too much, like it's not too much going on, but it's still perfect. And as you see, like I have an oversized blazer on with this outfit, and even the jeans are kind of like a baggier style, but everything still looks nice put together with the trend. And one thing that I really want to state, like that you want to focus on too, just a tip to give you when you're trying to dress, like again, like with the trends or just how you, your style period. As a Christian woman, you do want to kind of stay away from the tighter clothes. Like you want to have like something that may be fitting, but not tight. Because when it becomes tight, then it's just a little bit too much body showing, too much body yaddy showing. Seriously though, like you don't want to give like too much of your figure showing. You want it to be flattering, of course, but you want to keep it still cute, classy, and Christian. Like how I added that there? Okay, so for this next outfit, this is again another blazer that I have worn already, but guys, trust me when I say this outfit is amazing. I love it because like I love a nice little brown chocolate blazer, but then I put like, it's like brown and black, and I put like a black undershirt under it, again with some nice little ripped baggy jeans, and then I paired it with like these chocolate booties, chocolate brown booties. Super cute. I love this outfit. Again, like I said, it's not anything that's tight fitting, but it's still classy. Like it's still with the trends, girls. Like trust me when I tell you, these outfits are what you need. Like you need fits like this, and these honestly are perfect for everyday wear. Like if you are just running to go out to brunch with a friend, if you're going out on a date night, you can still be a Christian woman and not dress like an 80-year-old woman. I mean, I'm sorry guys, I just kind of have to say it. Like you don't have to have the dress all the way down to your ankles. Like of course, that's an outfit that's perfectly fine, and I definitely have some dresses that are like that. But what I'm saying is you can still dress these outfits up and make them still cute in your age appropriate. Like I'm young and I wear these type of outfits. You can be older and wear these type of outfits. Like it still does what it needs to do. Like that's what I'm saying. Like you don't have to dress like back in the day, like the traditional look, in order to still fit the Christian look. Like no, girl, we're Christian women. We love God and we serve God every single day, but we still want to keep it cute. For this final outfit, instead of doing like jeans or cargos, I kind of decided to dress it up just a tad bit. It's still a going out to brunch with friends, going out on a date, you know, whatever you want it to be. It's even a work outfit, to be honest, if you are allowed to have like your shoulders out at work. But I love this outfit. It's like a nice little turtleneck, but it's like sleeveless. So it's perfect for the upcoming weather with spring right around the corner. You can have your arms out, especially if it's like a nice warm spring day. And then I paired it with these leather pants and with like these black leather boots. And what I love about this outfit, once again, is you were showing some skin. That's the other thing. I think it's a common misconception that like if you have too much skin showing, or you know, whatever the case may be, are you really a Christian woman? Like, you know what I mean? And I seriously, guys, because there are so many people that still think about it like that. But I think that it's so important to just focus again on like, listen, I am trying to still be like, look cute, like look fashionable, go with the trends, or go with my style, period. And also still serve God and not be too risque. I'm not showing too much skin. I'm not disrespecting my boyfriend or my husband or God by, just showing too much of my figure or showing too much cleavage or whatever the case may be. No, you can still, and even like on the side of this shirt, right? You don't have like, you don't see any like side, anything like that. It's all just put together, and all you just see is a little bit of arm. And that little bit of arm don't hurt nobody. But seriously, so these are the outfits that I put together for this, and I really just love all of these outfits. I love them so much. I think that they are perfect, again, for like that Christian woman who feels like, I don't know what to do. What outfits do I wear? Like, is it okay for me to wear these outfits? I don't know what to wear because I want to still serve God. I want to be conservative, but I still want to be cute. Like all these, whoever has all these thoughts, this is what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you. And I hope this video was really helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, hey, which one was your favorite outfit? Let me know which one your favorite outfit is, and let me know what outfits you would like to see more of. If you like more of the like dress down with a little fitted blazer, if you want to see some dress outfits, if you want to see some more oversized blazer with jeans, with boots, if you want to see some oversized blazer with jeans and sneakers, listen, whatever you want to see, girls, I got you. Just be sure to leave a comment below. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.